Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about my concept. I'm gonna talk about a SWOT analysis. And SWOT analysis represents strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. As an international company, you can analyze these and clearly map out what you still need to work on. I'm now gonna talk about each of these four aspects and how you can use them in an international company. So first of all, you have strengths. Uh, Here you look at the internal part of your organization. As an international company, it's good to have these in order, because if the internal part of your organization is not in order, this will cause problems. In addition, it's also important that employees remain motivated to do their work. Otherwise, you have problems that they want to stop and not work anymore at the company. They want to leave. And as an international company, you also have to deal with different cultures and backgrounds, so you have to listen to your employees and find solutions together, and not only that the leader is going to find solutions without the employees their opinion. So where do their preferences go to be able to do their work properly? And as an international company, it's also important to first look at the internal part before you start with the external part of the organization. So if the internal part does not go well, then you have problems such as the employees leaving or the work not being properly done. So yeah, then you also have weaknesses. There are another aspect is weaknesses. This concerns your employees, your resources, the systems, procedures, and as an international company, you have to be honest about what's not running smoothly, but you also have to look at what you can improve on. So this may concern, for example, employees from different backgrounds who do not understand each other well, or employees who are not used to using certain resources. And as a leader, it's important to see how you can improve this and how you can motivate employees to adapt these improvements, that employees can express their opinion about these improvements without the leader maybe saying something about that. The more you involve the employees in the improvements, they will be satisfied when they're implemented. Then the other aspect is the opportunities. uh, so at this one, you look at at this aspect, you look at the external factors, and as an international company, you have to look at which markets can expand or which trends can bring an advantage. So you can also think of a shortage of a certain product in a country. So if you look at these products, maybe you can produce them, and you can also work this to your advantage. So as an international company, it's important to take advantage of these opportunities. Otherwise, you will not be able to continue as an international company, because maybe the customers will change their needs, or the market is changing. The market is also changing really quickly. So it's important to take risks, and all as an international company. Yeah, and usually these risks can be a great success, such as Apple. They started as a simple ID, and now they're a big international company. Then you have the last aspect, and that is the threats. Just like with the opportunities, you also look at the external factors, such as competitors or customers who have different needs. Especially if you're an international company working in different countries, it's important to make these to map these out. I think this ensures that you are aware of everything that could possibly go wrong, but also that you make sure to reduce these threats, so that you have the right resources and tools ready as soon as one of those threats occurs, so that you understand what your threats are as a company, but also how you can reduce them, or